The statement, "Perception is everything," captures the powerful influence our individual interpretations of the world have on our experiences and actions. It highlights several key points. 1. Subjectivity. Our understanding of the world is subjective, shaped by our unique experiences, biases, and expectations. This means two people can witness the same event and have entirely different perceptions of what happened. 2. Impact on reality. Our perceptions, though subjective, significantly impact how we navigate the world. They influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, shaping how we interact with others and respond to situations. 3. Limited view. Our perceptions are limited by our own perspectives. We can only interpret what we see and experience through the lens of our individual filters. This can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or inaccurate judgments. However, it's important to consider that the statement is not entirely literal. While perception plays a crucial role, it doesn't negate the existence of objective reality. There is an external world with its own truths, independent of our individual interpretations. Therefore, it might be more accurate to say that perception is a significant lens through which we experience reality. Our individual interpretations, while powerful, are one piece of the puzzle. Recognizing this complexity can help us be mindful of our own biases. By acknowledging the limitations of our perceptions, we can become more open-minded and willing to consider different perspectives. Practice empathy. By understanding that others have their own unique interpretations of the world, we can communicate and interact more effectively. Seek diverse perspectives. Exposing ourselves to different viewpoints can broaden our understanding of the world and challenge our own biases. Ultimately, while perception plays a powerful role in shaping our experiences, it's valuable to maintain a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the subjectivity of our interpretations and the existence of an objective reality.